Hello and welcome to the news button. In the 19th century, it was an adage that those who control the siege control the world. The veracity can't be overstated. During the times of ancient Kalinga, people of Odisha had prospered as great seafarers. The Kalingis controlled the entire eastern sea of India, both in terms of trade as well as naval influence. Likewise, the great Cholas of Tamil Nadu had not only established great sea links but established overseas empires through their mighty navy. The great Maratha king Shivaji Maharaj himself had been a pioneer of naval warfare and even forced the powerful Portuguese navy to accept defeat and took to its hills. However, during Mughal rule, India's naval ambition suffered a great jolt. It was all reduced to negligible naval presence. In 21st century India, as India looks to expand naval influence as well as marine trade, it's first building up its shipbuilding industry. Already, India has made significant progress on building up naval as well as commercial ships on its own. To further consolidate its Atmanirbharta or self-dependence in matters of shipbuilding, the Modi government is laying lot of stress on building up a vast ecosystem of shipbuilding in India's coastal states. If this plan is religiously put to execution in next 5 years, nothing can stop India to come within the world's top 10 shipbuilders. For shipbuilding and ship repair, the government is planning to set up huge clusters across 5 major coastal states: Maharashtra, Kerela, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Gujarat. Recognizing the strategic importance of shipbuilding and ship repair, Union Minister for Sports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbanand Sonowal, said his ministry is developing dedicated clusters in Maharashtra, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Gujarat, while highlighting the major accomplishments of his ministry in the first 100 days of the third term of the India government. In the next 5 years, the ministry projects container handling to reach an impressive 40 million 20-foot equivalent unit, creating 2 million job opportunities across the country. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority alone is all set to improve its handling capacity from the current 6.6 million TEUs to 10 million. 3,900 acres of land has already been allotted in Din Dayal Port Authority and Chidambar Port Trust for setting up hydrogen manufacturing hubs. This will attract more than 5 lakh crore worth of investment in the coming years. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority is going to become the first Indian port to attain the container handling capacity of 10 million TEUs in the coming months. Not to forget, India is building a Hong Kong-style international container transshipment port at Galathea Bay, Great Nicobar Island, which will serve as a major global transshipment hub. Similarly, after nearly 25 years since the establishment of Kamarajar Port, the addition of Vadhavan Port marks a significant milestone in India's maritime journey, along the recent notification of Galathea Bay as a major port. Vadhavan Port will be India's first major port project of the 21st century, poised to become one of the largest all-weather deep-water ports with a capacity of 298 mmtpa. The megaport will create 1.2 million employment opportunities and place an Indian port among the top 10 container ports globally, significantly improving international shipping connectivity and reducing transit times and costs. So, how would the shipbuilding clusters benefit India? Well, the clusters are expected to attract substantial investments, potentially exceeding 5 lakh crore rupees, which will boost the local and national economy. The initiative is projected to create around 2 million job opportunities, both skilled and unskilled, across the maritime value chain. By increasing ship production and repair capacity, India can enhance its competitiveness in the global maritime industry. Building up these clusters will also lead to better maritime infrastructure, including ports and hydrogen manufacturing hubs, which will improve shipping connectivity and reduce transit times and costs. This will also lead to sustainable growth. The focus on sustainable growth, including the establishment of hydrogen manufacturing hubs, aligns well with India's broader environmental goals and the Maritime India Vision 2030. Overall, these clusters will play a crucial role in transforming India's maritime landscape and positioning the country as a significant player in global shipping and trade. Is there a specific aspect of this initiative that interests you the most? Do let us know in the comment section. Before leaving, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.